Now let me share another cool little tool I have found for coaching that's been awesome. So if I am trying to set up a coaching cycle meeting or any kind of meeting with anyone, I'm going to send this to myself so that people aren't getting weird emails from me. I use something called Assistant.to. So I would write my email, or actually I don't even have to. Let's schedule our first coaching meeting. So I assume usually I have more information than that, obviously. But I have an extension called Assistant.to. If I click on it down here, it shows up in my email. So the meeting, it shows who the meeting is between. Right now it's me and myself, which is probably going to be really interesting. I can change the location place, so this is my office. I can add other invitees if I want to. I can categorize from my calendar which kind of meeting it is. So it's an instructional coaching meeting, which actually I always forget this step and it drives me crazy. I can say how long it's going to be. I don't need weekends, obviously. And then my calendar will show up. So these are, I can't schedule right now because I have a meeting tomorrow. I usually have my calendar pulled up on another screen too, just in case something doesn't show up. But I can go through and look at the times and say, okay, we could meet 8:15 on Monday or 8 a.m. on Monday, or we could try for 10 a.m. on Friday, or we could try for 1 p.m., 12:45 on Friday, and then lastly, we'll try for 10:30 on Monday, and we'll see when they can meet. Sorry, that was Thursday, the first one. Either way, then I say insert times into email. If you have a set time, like availability, you can just click that, but mine changes every day. So insert times. They get an email that says this. Sometimes I change that wording. I usually take out the time zone because they work at my school, so obviously they don't need that, and it just annoys me. And then, so that's what it looks like for them, or on my end. So then I hit send, and then I'll show you the end result. Check my email. Check my email, and I have this set up meeting. This is what it looks like on my end. I check my calendar, and I'm like, ooh, 12:45 on Friday is probably going to be the best time for me. So I click that. It adds it to my calendar and sends me an email that says, here you go, it's ready to go. And then on my end, the coach's end, I get an email that says meeting with Christy Loudon scheduled successfully. I can check my calendar, and there it is. So that looks like a lot of steps because I had to click and I'm showing you both sides, but it's super fast. According to Assistant.to, I have saved 2 hours of my life not scheduling meetings with back and forth emails that say, can you meet this day? No, I can meet this day. What about this time? So I have really liked this. I think it's super handy, and I highly recommend it.